Hi, this is Nancy Ellen at the Crafty Yarn Barn. Today I'm going to show you how to make the stitch, the single crochet two together. So this is a way to decrease your pattern by one stitch, basically eliminating one of the stitches in the row before and transforming two stitches into one. So let me show you how to make that. You'll take your crochet hook and go into the top of the stitch, yarn over and pull your hook through, giving you 2 loops of yarn on your hook. Then you'll take your crochet hook and go into the very next stitch, yarn over and pull that through. That gives you 3 loops of yarn on your hook. Then you're going to yarn over and pull it through all 3 loops of the yarn on your hook. And as you can see, you took these 2 single crochets, combined them together on the row that you're crocheting into one stitch, eliminating one of those. Let's do it again. So go into the next stitch, yarn over and pull it through, go into the next stitch, yarn over and pull it through. That gives you 3 loops of yarn on your hook, yarn over and pull it through all 3 loops. And one more time, go into the next stitch, pull it through, go into the next stitch, pull it through, and then yarn over and pull it through all 3 loops of yarn on your hook. And that is the single crochet 2 together stitch. A great stitch to have when you're working projects when you need to decrease your stitch pattern. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Select that bell notification so that you get notified every time we have a video coming out. And also check out the comment section down below. I'll put a link where you can go to our Facebook crochet group page so that you can post pictures of your projects that you're working on. I would love to see those. God bless and have a great, wonderful day.